Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add money into your Paytm app. So guys, select the add money icon to your home screen and choose the added money via credit card or banking account and enter your amount you want to add it and select add money, and you will be redirected guys to secure payment page as you can see. And if you have guys any saved credit card will be showing up, and you will just have entered CVV and your proceed bank to page and saved card, and enter your detailed guys bank account, complete the transaction, and you will be redirected to Paytm with money added in your wallet. So guys, this is how you can do. Go to website and go to your Paytm account and go to wallet and enter your amount you want to add it, and this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content. Any question down below and comment here.